Right, we're just doing a bit of, we did a bit of mudding the other night, and the alternator was sitting in mud for a while. So we've just taken that harness off, and it's pretty dirty. You can see where that terminal is also pretty dirty. These battery terminals are probably not the problem, but could do with a clean up. So I'm going to go down and get some contact cleaner now. Had a look online, they reckon just run a bit of WD or degreaser through your alternator and rinse it. This is a pretty common problem. So we'll see if that fixes it or not. Okay, so this is the day after that other video. Now what we did yesterday was the alternator wasn't charging, the battery had gone flat. The battery was, I think, sub 12, might have been 12.2. Anyway, what we did was take that apart. Obviously it's just an old school harness. Spray the butt out of it with contact cleaner. Obviously lifted that up, put a load of contact cleaner in there, and now see this? You got a few of those little holes around it. If you have a look, you can actually get in there at it as well. So what we did was pour WD, well not pour, but spray some WD-40 in there, a little bit of degreaser and contact cleaner, gave it a little while, actually used the jumper leads to start off the other car so that it was running. And bear in mind there was no charge coming out of that at all yesterday. Anyway, we kicked it over, got the hose onto it into these little grooves or these little inlets or whatever they are. I suppose they're for cooling. Didn't piss it in there, but just sort of yeah, gently sort of washed it out, I suppose. And next thing you know, it was charging perfectly. So hopefully it's going to do that today. We also sanded down some of these because they were just in rough nick, and I didn't want to go to the trouble of completely redoing it all. So the moment of truth. Okay, this should tell us if that alternator is fixed for good or if I'm going to be broken hearted. Not really a good place to put that. Alright, so the alternator clean's been done. I put the new negative terminal on, and a couple other things I won't go into. The breathers were done today as well. Now this is the moment of truth. We've been for a bit of a spin. Happy days.